Everyone is waiting for Tesla's 2020 second quarter results. And this report is going to show why Tesla quarter 2 2020 results may be better than expected. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel, ring the notification bell so you may be notified when I upload our Tesla story, as we bring Tesla stories, about 4 to 6 Tesla stories every day. So Tesla could surprise us with near record deliveries during the second quarter of 2020 with stronger than anticipated deliveries despite the restrictions caused by the virus. In fact, in my previous reports, I have been a little bit skeptical about Tesla's second quarter reports because, factories have been shut down for a while, car sales were down, although in some places they rebounded, and for many reasons. But it looks like I see some reports in the media, at least 2 opinion pieces, one in electric, one in Tasmanian, and this morning Deutsche Bank upgraded because they also expected the better results, and this report is based on that. So let's see what's happening and what people are saying and what we can expect and how may be surprised by Tesla's second quarter 2020 results. During the second, so Tesla could surprise with near record deliveries during the second quarter with stronger than anticipated deliveries despite the restrictions caused by this virus. During the second quarter, the Tesla, the automotive market actually took a giant hit everywhere around the globe, except in China a little bit. Tesla is no exception, since its Fremont factory, where it produces the majority of its cars, has been forced to shut down from the end of March to early May. That's like a month and a half. The automaker's sales and delivery operations were also badly affected due to social distancing and other restrictions put in place in many markets to try to slow down the spread of the virus. By the way, do you remember that Tesla at some point started the touchless deliveries? They're probably still doing that. So Wall Street and automotive analysts have been predicting that Tesla's deliveries would be between 60,000 and 70,000 units during the second quarter, which would represent a more than 25% drop over the same period last year. However, Electric has now learned that Tesla might surprise with much higher deliveries than expected, even maybe getting close to beating the last quarter 2 record of 95,000 deliveries. Sources familiar with the matter told Electric that deliveries in North America have picked up greatly in June, with already more than 50,000 deliveries and almost 10,000 vehicles in transit. That's good news. With Asian and European markets, Tesla is likely to beat the consensus based on our information, writes Electric. Tesla has run into some logistics-related issues due to the new measures related to the virus, causing issues at rail yards and trucking companies. Is leading Tesla to delay many orders over the last few weeks, according to buyer's report. It led Tesla CEO Elon Musk to apologize to customers 2 days ago, writing on his Twitter, "Apologies to Tesla customers for shifting delivery dates. It's a crazy world out there." End of the quote. But this was a quote by Elon Musk. So Tesla's delivery goals will be dependent on fixing some of those logistics issues in the next few days to get the cars in transit to customers by the end of the month. Electric has also learned that the executive team of Tesla has made it top priority right now. In fact, if you remember, I think it was 2 days ago or so that Elon Musk sent an email and to make an end of the quarter push to make this a great quarter. So, which the results are coming, I think, in next couple of weeks or so. So, I'm not going to, like I said above, I'm not going to pretend that I'm not surprised. This is extremely surprising to me. Like many, I thought quarter 2 would be a difficult quarter, but early on, but data from China and deliveries in some states in April and May have pushed to conservatively see Tesla delivering 60,000 cars in the second quarter of 2020. Now, I see 90,000 deliveries, writes Electrek, as achievable. And if Tesla can smooth deliveries in the next few days, they could even come close to the previous quarter through records, which we suspect Tesla is trying to beat. I think China will easily reach 30,000 deliveries thanks to Gigafactory Shanghai, and Europe will be probably low. The factory shutdown happened during Tesla's cycle of production meant for Europe, which means that the volume that went on ships there was really low. Tesla delivered only 5,600 vehicles in Europe during the first 2 months of the quarter. Generally, European Tesla deliveries spiked during the third month of a quarter as ships unload a ton of vehicles, but Tesla's production volume for Europe was much lower this quarter. I would put European deliveries at around 10,000 units, add China at 30,000 units, and other markets at 2,000 units, and you would have around 42,000 vehicles without North America, writes Electrek. Right now, it looks to me like over 85,000 deliveries is almost guaranteed, and depending on how Tesla handles the logistics issues over the next few days, Tesla could reach 95,000 deliveries in the second quarter. That would be insane, but apparently it's achievable. Imagine what would happen if there was no shutdown of factories. I think that's probably what Elon hinted at when he referenced a good outcome in an email to employees that Electrek leaked earlier this week, and we also reported on this channel. You can search and see that email and its content at Torque News YouTube channel. My understanding is that Tesla has been able to ramp up Model Y production in the last few weeks though again, I would be happier with Tesla slowing down production and focusing on quality, which has been an issue with the new electric crossover SUV. Friends, what do you think about this? In fact, this morning Tesla stock price target was raised at Deutsche Bank ahead of deliveries and production update. Market Watch writes, shares of Tesla gained 0.8% in pre-market trading Friday this morning after Deutsche Bank analyst Emmanuel Rosner raised his price target to $900 from $850 ahead of the electric vehicle market's second quarter deliveries and production update. Rosner kept his rating at hold as his new target is 8.7% below Thursday's closing price of $985.98. Here's a quote. Despite about 7 weeks of downtime at the Fremont plant, we think Tesla's second quarter global production could be in the mid 70,000 range, ahead of buy-side consensus in the mid 60,000s. End of the quote. Rosner wrote in a note to clients. Meanwhile, he doesn't believe Tesla was able to reach full Model Y production and estimates about 10,000 to 13,000 vehicles were made during the quarter. Tesla is slated to report deliveries and production next week, with Rosner saying it will likely be on July 2nd. Tesla's stock has more than doubled year to date, which is up 136%, while the S&P 500 has lost 4.6%. Now, it will be even more surprising if Tesla posts a profit. Then Tesla shareholders will have their first 4 quarters of profit in a row. It looks like Tesla is very busy with car deliveries, and Elon Musk's end of the quarter push is working. A user named Wardenclyffe writes on Electrek's discussion board how busy Tesla seems to be, describing his Model Y experience. Quote, I had my Model Y delivered Monday after a 1-day delay, which was disappointing as I had intentionally scheduled it for Father's Day and invite family over to celebrate the deliveries, he writes. After the delivery, I then got a flat on the way home and had to have it towed back to the service center and get a ride home again, leaving my welcome party in the cold. The next day, Tesla fixed the tire and I was all set. I can say that the delivery center in Bellevue, Washington was extremely busy. Both days I was on site. The only open delivery times were the day it arrived on Monday or today on Thursday. He refers today. Yesterday, the Seattle area is being flooded with the Model Y. So much fun to drive. That's end of the quote. Take note, friends, however, that Q2 2020 results will not solely depend on delivery numbers. Based on Tesla's performance this quarter, however, that may be good news. The company has been able to focus on key factors that could boost the second quarter even further. For instance, Tesla has released some features. Tesla has actually released some features to its full self-driving FSD suite in Q2, which may allow Tesla to include some FSD revenue into its income statements. Tesla Energy appears to be working hard in the background as well. Overall, Tesla started the quarter in a seemingly less than favorable position, but seems to have turned it around. So revenue will come from car deliveries, revenue will come from full self-driving, revenue will come from Tesla Energy. So overall, Tesla started the quarter in a seemingly less than favorable position, but I think it seems to have turned it around and may finish in a very strong position. Let me know what you think, friends, about this. What is your expectation from the Q2 and how Tesla turned things around? And also, since this report was about Tesla performance and somewhat about the stock as well, please note that I don't own any shares in Tesla and I'm not in the stock market. This report is for informational purposes only. You should not construe any such information on other materials as an investment, financial, or other advice. Nothing contained in this report constitutes a solicitation, recommendation, endorsement, or offer by me, Torque News, or any third-party service provider to buy or sell any securities or other financial instruments. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, friends. We'll continue the discussion there. In the meantime, this is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Have a wonderful day. Please subscribe to our channel, look around in our community, and join our community. And I'll see you in our next report. Have a great day. God bless you, and take good care of each other and your families.